Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you add reinforcement on this column. First, we are going to adjust the cover settings for this column and then add the stirrups around and also the longitudinal reinforcement along the column. Please note that this column is located in the second floor in this huge building. So to begin, we first open this column detail view. This is the column from the top view, and this is the 3D view. To view both views at the same time, we select WT and then ZA to have both views zoomed. So first, we go to the structure menu, and in the reinforcement part, we select the cover. We can pick the element or we can pick faces for the cover. So we might have various cover settings for various faces. In that case, we select the faces, but here we suppose all the sides, all the faces have the same cover, and therefore we select the pick element. So we select this element, and here we select the cover to be 25 millimeters. So the cover is 25 millimeters. You can check the cover here and see that this is 25 millimeters. Next, we add the rebars. First, we select the rebar, and in the rebar shape browsers, we have various types of rebars. So many types are available, and for this column, rectangular column, we choose this stirrups 52. Once we select the stirrups, we can go around and choose the orientation of the stirrups. So once we select the type and the orientation of the stirrup, we then choose the stirrup and then can define and change the rebar size. We choose number 6 rebar. As you see, this rebar is just below the column. This is a single stirrup, so we want this to be going up to the top, and for that we select the stirrups, and in the layout we select this to be either fixed number, maximum spacing, or we have number with spacing and minimum clear spacing. So the maximum spacing is here selected, and then we can adjust the distance. So the maximum distance for these stirrups is 200 millimeters. So this command is completed. Now we go to the rebar and add the longitudinal reinforcement on the corners and also here in the middle. So we go to the rebar again. In this view, we go and then select the 00 number here. So in the placement part, we can choose the current work plane, and in the placement orientation, we choose this to be parallel to cover. Once we choose this to be parallel to cover, we can go and choose just in the center of this curve. We can go in this corner and select this to be on the right spot, that is in the middle. can also go here and also here. So here we can choose to be just on the middle of the line or column, and that's the final rebar. So these rebars need to be adjusted. We can select this to be just on the right spot. So as you see, we have the rebars placed in the column, and these two wraps surround the rebars. We can here we can also adjust the height. So if you go and for example choose the front view here, you can see that the plate on the floor above is just on the exactly on the rebars. To check if these anchors are not conflicting with the rebars, we go and check here from the top and see their location. As you see, these two anchors are conflicting with the stirrups, and therefore we can select the plate and adjust the spacing, this spacing to be just above and just like on the other side of this part of stirrup. Hit the type, go to the modify parameters, and here choose this to be 170 and this is to be 220 millimeters, so just 2 centimeters on the other side. So now you see they are not conflicting with the rebars, and yeah, and that's all. The rebars are placed on the right side, on the right spot, but also the plate anchors are not conflicting with the rebar, and we can also check the height. Yeah, that's correct. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again.